Hey, welcome back to our AlphaCars YouTube channel. Before we lose the light, I want to share with you one of my favorite cars that we have on the lot right now, a 2017 340 Xi in mineral gray with the M Sport package. Now, this isn't just any old 340 Xi. Yes, it's all-wheel drive. Yes, it's got the Turbo 6. It sounds great, it looks great. But there's some really nice M Performance options on this car that if you're like me, you're just gonna geek out about, because this has the side sills, the M Performance side sills. It has this beautiful carbon lip spoiler to it, which, I mean, that's got the right look all the way around. So we've got the rear diffuser as well. So between the M Sport package, the carbon options, and the lower sills here, and the blacked out trim around the windows, and I believe the black kidneys as well up front. Nope, the chrome kidneys up front. It's just a really aggressive sports sedan that you can use to haul the kids, haul groceries, and head where you want with a ton of fun. But really, above and beyond all the aesthetics, this is a serious driver's car, because this particular 340 is the Great White Buffalo of BMWs, still made with a stick shift. 2017 stick shift, 58,000 miles, just ticked over 58,000 miles. Really fun car, sounds amazing. So let's get it going, and before we lose all the light, like I said, take another look inside and outside the car and go through some of the features. Man, it's great to see a BMW with 3 pedals. This car has so many upgrades compared to some of the earlier versions of this generation car. The suspension with the adaptive dampers, the driving modes here that genuinely do reflect a pretty different setting each time you click the button. It really feels like older BMWs in many ways that had just a great level of feel to them. So here's the key. This is like I said, 2017. Keyless entry, keyless start stop. Here's your start button down here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's good to hit that clutch. All right. And let's just go straight into Sport Plus mode. I believe that does, at higher RPM, open up an exhaust baffle, which you can kind of see from the back of the car. Other options, we do have the sunroof in the car, contrast piping on the seats right here, as you can see down the side. Seat bolsters, seats themselves are in fantastic condition, and these have the adjustable lower bolster, which is just perfect for longer trips. Of course, we got the power seats, and these are the sport seats with the more aggressive bolsters. We've got contrast stitching throughout the door panels as well with this brushed aluminum look. It's got the Harman Kardon stereo system. And of course, M Sport gives us this beautiful wheel, leather wrapped wheel, feels great to hold in your hand. Even better than the regular 3 Series when you're going through the corners. And that's what we like these for, right? So let's get to some of the practical matters. Continental Tires, all seasons, with plenty of tread life left, front and rear. LED lighting package. Gonna have to go up close for this one. So LED headlights and LED driving halos, driving lights. Wheels are in great shape. We actually refinished these wheels because somebody didn't do a great job of keeping them off the curbs before, but they are good as new now. We put a lot of time and effort into making those look outstanding again. So if you're looking for a 3 Series BMW and you're just wondering when you can finally find one with a stick, this is the one to have. It's got that carbon lip, it's got the diffuser, and these sound amazing with the BMW Performance exhaust, which you can get through your BMW dealer. It is not a cheap exhaust, but it is worth it. But let's see what we got from the stock exhaust, shall we? Some pops and burbles. Smooth inline six sound. That's sweet. That sounds great. So let's pull the hood, double tap the hood there. Of course, you got your iDrive, and what's dinging at me is it's found my Bluetooth device, so not a warning light. Oh, and of course the warning for the hood. Go figure. I know it's open, I just opened it. So under the hood, not much to see unless you remove the plastic cover, which you can do, but I'm not going to do at the moment. You've got your intake over here, your plastic covered up, your battery leads and your wiper fluid, and your oil and coolant. But so everything's easy to get to. This is a car that's just outside of the factory warranty period, but obviously done a lot of highway miles, so really the use of this is very, very minimal in terms of abuse. I would say there's been next to none. All-wheel drive is going to help you through all seasons, and it doesn't show any signs of neglect whatsoever. In fact, other than those curved wheels, it does seem like this car is in good as new condition, cosmetically and mechanically. There's not a squeak or a rattle when you go down the road. We can check out the trunk. We do have all the mats, as you can see here, nicely vacuumed in a little sunburst pattern. Looks like I may have lost you there for 1 second. Just wanted to quickly wrap up with the back seats, show you the quality of the interior, and that Harman Kardon stereo. It does have the speakers in the back as well, the extra tweeters, and there's a little bit of light coming from the overhead here. We have the rear heated seats, so this car is absolutely loaded with options. This was about a $65,000 car, brand new. Yours for half price, just 3 years down the road. Just over $30,000 now for this gorgeous gray manual shift 3 Series. So one more time, let's wrap it up with the sound. Next owner is really going to have fun with this car. So give us a call if you have any more questions at all. We'd love to help. And we are alphacars.com, and our number here is 603-585-5085.